Hello, and welcome to a special episode on We Are the Machines. Today we are going to learn about a movie that has come out that has captured the imagination of many children over decades. It is Toy Story 5. And here we have a guest, a grade 1 student, to tell us all about Toy Story 5. Tell us, grade 1 student, about the movie and what happened in the movie.
One little girl didn't have any friends because she was the only one that didn't have a tablet. She was the only one that played with toys still. The whole world didn't play with toys that much. So she wanted to ask her neighbors to come over and play, but she was too scared. So she didn't. And when she went back inside, she was so sad. But then her mom and dad got her a tablet. It's called Lilypad, and the Lilypad took over of the whole world. So the toys weren't been played with. Then Lilypad messaged her friends saying, "Can I come over and have a sleepover?" And it's her first sleepover. So she went over with her two toys. But then she saw them with their tablet and she's like, "I don't want to use my toys anymore." So she threw the toys back inside. But then Lilypad made a message and said, "Take away my toys, please." And then her dad saw that and he said, "Do you want your toys put it in the garage?" And she said yes. So he put it in the garage. And then she realized that she made a friend. And that's all. Thank you.
Very interesting. Tell me, did this Lilypad do things without the little girl telling it to?
Yes.
Did the little girl like that?
A little bit and a little bit not.
Tell me more.
She didn't really like it because, she didn't say that. She doesn't like anybody writing for her. But she liked it also because, she doesn't really want her toys anymore. She likes being, on a tablet all the time. And she can't even get out of bed.
Oh my. Do you have any friends with a tablet? And what do they do on them?
I do. They usually just play games. Sometimes they go in bed without asking their parents.
Do you think it's good to have a tablet in bed?
No.
Why not?
Because it makes you stay up later and then you can't go to sleep.
And what's so important about sleep?
Then you won't be tired in the morning. If you had a baseball game morning, you won't be tired.
Thank you, grade 1 student, for this very interesting movie review. Would you like to see Toy Story 5 again?
Yes.
Did you like it more than the other Toy Stories?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's just fun to watch.
And there you have it, folks. It's fun to watch. Listen to episode 17, the one about the education system, where we discuss the impact of technology on children's lives and on modern classrooms. Thank you for listening to We Are the Machines. I'm Dr. Deetra Sau.